Our bodies have an amazing defense system called the immune system. It works tirelessly to protect us from germs and other dangers. Within this system, dendritic cells play a crucial role. Think of dendritic cells as the scouts of your immune army. They are always patrolling your body, on the lookout for trouble. Their main job is to find any signs of invaders like bacteria, viruses, or cancer cells. Dendritic cells are named for their tree-like branches or dendrites, which help them explore their surroundings. You can find these important cells in many places, including the skin, nose, lungs, stomach, and intestines. Their strategic placement is key to detecting threats. When they find something suspicious, they alert other parts of the immune system. They are essential for starting a strong immune response. Without them, our bodies would struggle to defend against many diseases. They are the critical link that gets the whole defense system moving. Dendritic cells can tell the difference between friends and foes. They recognize specific signals of danger, like red flags. Some signals come from germs, called pathogen-associated molecular patterns, or PAMPs. Other danger signals come from our own damaged cells, known as danger-associated molecular patterns, or DAMPs. Cancer cells can release these DAMPs, helping dendritic cells identify internal threats. Once a dendritic cell spots a potential threat, it takes action. It uses its long arms to engulf the suspicious particle or cell, a process called phagocytosis. The dendritic cell takes in the invader to learn more about it. After engulfing the threat, the dendritic cell processes it, breaking it down into smaller pieces called antigens. Think of antigens as the enemy's identification badge. Each invader has unique antigens. Dendritic cells prepare these antigens to show to other immune cells. This preparation is crucial for the next stage of defense. Once a dendritic cell has processed an invader, it becomes an informant. It needs to deliver the gathered information to the immune system's command center, usually found in the lymph nodes. Lymph nodes are like military bases for immune cells. The dendritic cell travels to the nearest lymph node. Inside the lymph node, many other immune cells, including T cells, are waiting. The dendritic cell's job is to present the antigens to the T cells. It uses special molecules on its surface called major histocompatibility complex, or MHC molecules. Think of MHC molecules as tiny display cases. The dendritic cell places the antigen pieces into these display cases. This process of showing antigens is called antigen presentation. The dendritic cell ensures the right T cells see the right antigen. This precision prepares T cells to recognize and fight only that specific enemy. Presenting the antigen is just the first step in alerting T cells. Dendritic cells also provide a crucial second signal, often called a co-stimulatory signal. It tells the T cell that the threat is real and urgent. Without this second signal, T cells might not become fully active. This two-signal activation is a safety mechanism. It ensures T cells only attack genuine threats. Dendritic cells present the antigen and offer the co-stimulatory molecules. This combination fully activates the T cells, transforming them into battle-ready warriors. Once activated, T cells multiply rapidly, creating an army of specialized fighters. Some T cells become killer T cells, which find and destroy infected or cancer cells. Other T cells become helper T cells, coordinating the immune response. Dendritic cells are master trainers and commanders, ensuring T cells know exactly what to fight and giving them the green light to attack. Let's dive into a new weapon in the fight against cancer: dendritic cell-based cancer vaccines. Cancer cells are our own cells gone rogue, making them hard for the immune system to recognize. Dendritic cell-based cancer vaccines offer a way to train the immune system to fight cancer. Unlike preventive vaccines, cancer vaccines are therapeutic, designed to treat existing cancer. They aim to boost the body's natural ability to fight cancer. Dendritic cell vaccines use the patient's own cells. Doctors collect dendritic cells from the patient, often through a blood draw. These cells are cultured and multiplied in a laboratory. The dendritic cells are exposed to specific cancer antigens. After this training, the dendritic cells are ready to instruct the patient's T cells to attack the cancer. Finally, they are injected back into the patient. Proven success Sipuleucel-T and the fight against prostate cancer. Sipuleucel-T, or Prevenge, was the first FDA-approved therapeutic cancer vaccine. It treats advanced prostate cancer. Doctors collect immune cells from the patient. These cells are cultured with a protein called prostatic acid phosphatase, or PAP, found on prostate cancer cells. The cells mature into active dendritic cells. These educated dendritic cells are infused back into the patient. They present the PAP antigen to T cells, training them to recognize and attack prostate cancer cells. Clinical trials showed that Sipuleucel-T could extend the survival of men with metastatic prostate cancer. It demonstrated the viability of dendritic cell therapy and spurred further research into DC vaccines for other types of cancer. The cutting-edge ongoing trials and future research paths. The success of Sipuleucel-T opened new doors for dendritic cell vaccines. Clinical trials are underway for various cancer types, including melanoma, glioblastoma, kidney cancer, ovarian cancer, and some types of leukemia and lymphoma. Researchers are exploring ways to boost the potency of dendritic cells using adjuvants or genetic engineering. Combining dendritic cell vaccines with other cancer treatments, like checkpoint inhibitors, shows great potential. In situ vaccination, which activates dendritic cells directly within the tumor, is another promising strategy. Overcoming challenges in dendritic cell therapies. One major hurdle is the complexity and cost of producing personalized DC vaccines. It requires specialized facilities and expertise, making the treatment expensive and time-consuming. Choosing the right antigens is another challenge, as cancer cells can change their antigens to hide from the immune system. The tumor microenvironment can also suppress dendritic cells and T cells. Researchers are exploring off-the-shelf DC products and better antigen discovery platforms. New strategies are emerging to overcome the suppressive tumor microenvironment, including combining DC therapy with drugs that alter this environment. Personalized power, the future of cancer treatment with dendritic cells. We are moving towards more personalized medicine, tailoring treatments to the individual patient. Dendritic cell vaccines use the patient's own immune cells, creating a highly targeted therapy. This precision aims to minimize harm to healthy cells and focus the immune attack on cancer cells. Dendritic cell therapy offers the potential for long-lasting immunity by creating memory T cells. These memory cells can recognize and quickly respond if the cancer returns. The future of cancer treatment will likely involve combination therapies, with dendritic cell vaccines playing a vital role in this multi-pronged approach. They represent a beacon of hope in our ongoing fight against cancer.